Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated with that pesky, oops, an error occurred message on Instagram in 2025. Don't worry. I'm here to help you fix it quickly and get back to scrolling through your feed. This error can pop up due to app glitches, network issues, or even outdated software, but with a few simple steps, we can resolve it. Let's dive right in. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Sometimes, a weak signal is the culprit. Try restarting your router or switching networks if needed. Next, update your Instagram app. Head to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for any available updates. Outdated apps often cause errors like this. Moving on, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to refresh it. Speaking of restarts, force close Instagram and reboot your phone. This simple trick works wonders for temporary glitches. If that doesn't do the trick, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall Instagram, then download it fresh from the App Store. Before you do, make sure to back up any important data, though Instagram usually handles that for you. Also, check if Instagram's servers are down by searching online or using tools like Downdetector. If it's a widespread issue, you might just have to wait it out. Lastly, if you're using Instagram on a web browser, clear your browser cache or try a different browser altogether. There you have it. These steps should get you past that error in no time. Remember, technology can be finicky, so patience is key. If you follow these tips and still run into problems, reach out to Instagram's support or check their help center. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.